Welcome to Ask Me Anything. My name is Lisa Herrick. I'm a board-certified juvenile law attorney in Texas, and I answer questions about juvenile law. Let's get started. Question 1 is, what's the most common type of juvenile law case that I see? The most common type of case I usually see lately has been an offense called terroristic threat. Terroristic threat will be when someone makes a threat to another person and that person feels like they are reasonably in danger of imminent bodily injury or death. Oftentimes, especially with juveniles, what I see is these threats will come in the way of social media posts or other online digital communications. So it could be a post as vague as, don't come to school tomorrow, there's going to be a shooting. It could be a direct message to another person that says, I'm going to come to your house and beat you up. It doesn't have to be a specific type of threat, but it does have to be reasonably close in time, and it does have to make the other person feel like they are actually in fear. Question number 2 is there anything that could be posted on social media that would get me in trouble? The answer is yes, absolutely. The opportunities for someone to get themselves in trouble by using social media are almost limitless. A lot of times we see kids who are getting themselves in trouble for making threats on social media or for posting pictures of other students that should not have been taken. We see kids who get in trouble for either violating probation or violating their conditions of not being in the juvenile detention center by doing things like posting pictures of themselves with weapons, posting pictures of themselves with drugs. Anything that you wouldn't want your grandma to see, you shouldn't be posting on social media because it can absolutely get you in legal trouble in addition to just trouble at school or trouble with your parents. Question number 3 is, I'm a parent with 2 boys and I have guns in my home. What's the best way to keep everybody safe? The best way to keep everybody safe is to keep those guns locked up, locked away, with your kids not having access to unlock that. So basically, if you want to take your kids out to the shooting range, you want to take your kids out hunting with you, that's fine. They don't need to have the combination to the lock to the safe. We see that kids get curious with firearms and they like to play with firearms, and that could lead to serious injuries for your kids, for other kids, for pets, for all kinds of damage to your home, right? There's any number of different ways that your kid having access to a firearm could be very dangerous and very bad. I would also, if it's feasible for you as a family, to keep the ammunition and the gun separate, just in case your kids do figure out how to break into that safe where the gun is, then that might be an even better option. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions you'd like answered, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, you can find us at versestexas.com.